Okay students, in this short video let's learn about addition for fractions. Okay, so we have learned this in before, but let's try it again and with some new things that you can see. Yeah, so we build on the base of what we learned in before. So what we have here, fraction type number 1, is that when you can see that we have fractions with different denominator, right? So before we can do any addition or subtraction, we must make sure that the fraction has the same denominator. So what to do here, same, right? Let's just check first. We have 5 and 6, and then 5 over here cannot jump to 6, right? There's no common factor, and then there's no common factors also between them. So what we need to do is you need to times 5 times with 6, 6 times with 5, and times it with each other. Okay, so what we need to do here first, this one is something new that you see in P5, which is you have this one is in mixed number. In P4 you just have the fraction, but right now in mixed number. So what you need to do is just add the whole number first over here. So 2 plus 4 is 6, and then let's try to have the fraction part in the same denominator. Okay, so what you need to do first, you write down the original fraction with longer lines, and then plus another fraction with longer lines, 2 out of 6. And then what we need to do, since 5 cannot jump to 6, then times with the other denominator, which is 6 over there. Yeah, 5 cannot jump to 6, and then there's no common factor. That's why you need to times with each other. So this one times with 6, the numerator also times with 6. Times 3 times 6 is 18. 5 times 6 is 30. And then this part, you times with the other denominator, which is 5. And then this is 30, right? And then the numerator also times with 5. Okay, times with 5 over here is 10. Now after that you just add up, which is 6, 28 out of 30, and then simplify it, and then I think you just divide by 2. You will have this is 14 out of 15. Okay, so you need to know why this one times 6 with 6. 6 out of 6 is actually 1, right? So it does not change the value, but it just changes the form. And then this one also same thing, times 5 times 5 out of 5, right? 5 out of 5 is 1. So any number times 1 is just the number itself. So then the value does not change, but it's only the form, right? The form is just different. Okay, so that's what we learned in P4, and then let me repeat again in P5. Okay, so let's try this one again. You see 4 and 7, right? 4 cannot jump to 7, and then there is no common factor. So what we need to do is times with each other. So the first step, we need to add the whole number first. 5 plus 3 is 8. And then for the fraction part, let me write down the original fraction with longer lines. Yeah, longer line. And then this one 2 out of 4. And then what to do, times with each other, right? Yeah, so we need to times with each other. 7, this part, 7 times with 4. Since this one times with 4, this one also times with 4. And then this one is 20, this is 28. 4 times with 7 times with each other, so this one is 28. This also times with 7. The result is 14. So what we have here, you see 8, this one is 8, this one out of 28, yeah, the same. 20 plus 14, 20 plus 14 is 34. And then you can see over here we have improper fraction over here, right? So what we need to do, let's just convert this. Okay, we have 8, and then this one, yeah, 34 out of 28. Let's just convert it into a mixed number. You see 1, 34 divided by 28 is 1, and then the remainder is about 6. After that, just simplify it, right? 9. Okay, this one 9, and then 6 out of 28. I think you just can do it by divided by 2, right? So divide by 2, this 6 become 3, divided by 2, this become 14. So this is the final answer. Okay students, I let you to do it on your own first. Pause this video, do it on your own. After you are ready, then let's check our answer together, just to make sure that you understand to do this or no. Okay, we pause the video now. Okay students, welcome back. Okay, so let's do this one quick. Yeah, so let's just do it first. 3 plus 9 3 plus 6 is 9, and then as you can see, before we can do anything, we need to make sure the denominator are the same. 3 cannot jump to 4, and then there's no common factor, yeah, besides a 1. So what we need to do, write down the fraction with longer lines, because we want to convert the fractions to so that they have the same denominator. Okay, so 3, what to do here, 3 cannot jump to 4 and there's no common factor, so we times with each other, and then this side we times with 3. Okay, this one times with 4, then times with 4 here. Now the result, let me just write it there. This part also times with 3, right, since the denominator times with 3. Now as this becomes 6, this becomes 12. Now after that, you see, you just add up 9, and then out of 12, 4 plus 6 is 10. Now, and then simplify it, divide by 2, this one is 5, divide by 2, this one is 6. Okay, now last one. So let's just do it with the whole number first, which is 8, then longer lines. 8 cannot jump to 9, and then there is no common factor. So what we need to do, we need to times with each other. So what we have here, we copy the original fraction first, and then times with each other. Times with the 9, this part times with the 8. Okay, since this one times with 9, this is times with 9 also. This is 54, and then this one is 72, this one is 72. This part also need to be multiplied with 8 also. Yeah, since the denominator is 8, then we numerator also 8. So this one is 32. Now, and then we can see, right, we have 8. This one is out of 72, and then you see 54 plus 32 is about 86. Now, and then you can see this is more, right? So this 86 out of 72 is actually 1. 14 out of 72, right? So let me just do it. Yeah, 8, and then plus 1, and then 14 out of 72, and then what is that? We have 9. 14 out of 72. Now divide by 2. Suppose this one divide by 2, we have 9. Yeah, let me just write it here. 9. 7 out of 36. So this is the result. Yeah, so I think I need to make some changes here. This one should be 9 out of 9, and then 7 out of 72. 36, sorry, 7 out of 36. Okay, so that's all for this type number 1. I will show you again type number 2 and type number 3. Okay, I see you again in the next video. Bye bye.